Does Poppolive actually pays their agency? In this video, I'm going to explain every single things you need to know about Poppolive agency, whether or not Poppolive pays their agency, how to increase your earnings, the requirements you need in order to become an agency, how they actually pay them, how this agency actually make money on Poppolive. I'm going to explain everything to you on this video. So guys, let's dive right into the video. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. So right here is the homepage of my Poppolive app. So before that, you need to actually know the meaning of Poppolive agency. If you are new to Poppolive, Poppolive agency is a group that recruits and manage streamers on Poppolive. Instead of streaming by themselves, they would be earning a percentage from their host activities. From their host activities, that is how they are going to be earning their own money. There are actually three ways an agency can earn money on Poppolive. They can earn by commission from host gifts. They can earn by performance bonuses. They can actually earn as well by ranking or activity rewards. These are the three main ways: commission from host, performance bonuses, ranking or activity rewards. These are the three ways an agency can actually earn on Poppolive. So let's simply go to our profile like this. So right here on your profile, looking here, you can see the agent right here. So let's say you click on agent like this. If you click on agent like this, you're going to see your dashboard. So looking right here on the screen is my dashboard. You can see the numbers of hosts, the numbers of invites, the points I've earned, the coins. It is actually a lot. So in order for you to actually earn as an agent on Poppolive, the earnings actually vary from one agent to another. You cannot be earning the same thing I'm earning just because we are an agent. So in order for you to actually earn on Poppolive as an agent, it actually depends on the percentage on which you can earn on. So for some, they can earn on an average percentage of 10, while some can earn on an average percent of 20. Mine is actually 20, as you can see here, where you can see commission rates. Mine is 20. So in order for you to actually earn on Poppolive, it depends on the commission rates which you are earning from. So looking right here, you can see different commission rates. You can see that there are some people that can be on 4%. You can see that there are some people that can be on 12%, and the rest of them, the highest is 20%. So this is how this percent can actually change. So let's say you are on 4%. You can actually move from 4% to 5% or another percent, depending on the total amount of coin which you actually got in the last 30 days. That is actually going to determine if you are going to move from one commission rate to another. So if your earnings are actually much, then you'd be able to increase from one commission rate to another. So when you increase from one commission rate to another, that is actually going to determine if you are going to be earning higher on Poppolive as an agent. So this is how your earnings are calculated as an agent on Poppolive. If you're an agent on Poppolive, and let's say 10 active hosts, you invited 10 active hosts, they are very active, and each host actually earns 10,000 naira in, let's say, gifts monthly. If Poppolive pays you agency of 10 to 20% commission, then you are going to be earning 100,000 to 200,000 monthly without you streaming. Let me actually make this clear by going to my calculator. So I really want you to understand this better. So let's say you have 10 active hosts. This is 10 active hosts, and each of the hosts earns 100,000 naira in gifts monthly. So let's multiply it by 100,000, which is the gift, and Poppolive pays you an agency of 10 to 20% commission. So let's multiply this. Let's say your own commission rate is actually 10. Now let's divide it by 100, which is the percentage. You're going to be earning 100,000 naira as someone who have 10 active hosts that are earning 100,000 naira in gifts monthly. So let's say you have 20% as your commission rate. Let's change this 10 to 20. You are going to be earning 200,000. So this is how simple it is to calculate how much you can earn as an agent on Poppolive. Now you should note that agency earning actually depends on active hosts. If you don't have active hosts, you won't be earning. It is not actually a get rich scheme stuff. So you need to have an active host. No active host, no earnings. But you can be earning by having an active host even without streaming on Poppolive. So that is how you can actually calculate your earnings on Poppolive. So in order for you to increase your earnings more as an agent on Poppolive, you need to recruit serious hosts, since the host is what is actually going to give you the money. So you need to recruit serious hosts. You need to train them to be able to go live consistently. You need to help them to grow their followers. You need to learn to teach them how to avoid any rule violation or community guidance violation. In order for you to actually become an agent on Poppolive, you need to have a verified Poppolive account. You need to have a minimum number of active hosts, and also you need to have good account standing and consistent activity. This is the requirements you need to pass in order to become an agency on Poppolive. The requirements might actually vary depending on your location. So this is what you need to know about Poppolive agency. So if you have watched this video to this very point, you need to hit the like button. It actually took me some years in order for me to be able to understand this properly. This information I just shared on this video, it took me some years before I was able to check my dashboard several times and understand this. So a like on this video is really going to help. Subscribe to this channel if you are new here and hit the notification bell. If you want a full video on how to become an agent on Poppolive, just comment down below and I'm going to create the video for you. Right guys, see you in the next one.